Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Berkeley County and the panhandle of West Virginia until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:55 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located near Shepherdstown, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. I-81 in northern Berkeley County, West Virginia. Locations impacted include Martinsburg, Berkeley, and Martinsburg Airport. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. If traveling on a highway, find the nearest exit or rest area and park safely away from traffic. Allow snow squalls to pass before attempting to resume travel. There is no safe place on a highway when a snow squall hits. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives.